Okay, in a bag there are 5 red counters and 4 blue counters. Suki takes a random 2 counters from the bag, i.e. she takes one, doesn't put it back in, and then takes another one, so she takes a total of 2. Work out the probability the counters will each have a different colour. Well, you can do this with, it's a 4-mark question, you can do this with or without a tree diagram. I kind of like to do it with a tree diagram, but you don't have to. So on your first go, she could pull out red, or she could pull out blue. Now the chance of pulling out red on the first go, that means there's 9 counters overall, so the chance of pulling out red is 5/9, and pulling out blue is 4/9. Now, if you've pulled out a red counter, then that means you've only got 8 counters left in the bag, so, and one of the less red, so it's going to be 5 to go down to 4. Blue counters, well, there's 8 counters in the bag. You've not touched the blue counters because you pulled out a red, you've gone up, so there's still 4 counters in the bag. So those total, the numerators total up to 8. If you pulled a blue one out your first go, well, there's still 5 red ones left. You've not touched the reds, but there's only 8 counters overall, so that's that probability. And you've got chance of pulling out a blue. Well, there's 8 counters left. 4's gone down by 1 because you've taken it out, so it's 3. Now, work out the probability that the counters will each have a different colour. Well, so that means if you've got red first, you need blue second, or if you've got blue first, you need red second. So the probability is, and you could have done this straight from this calculation, straight from the text. So you're going to get 20 multiplying the numerators, 72 multiplying the denominators, or in this case, putting up blue then red, it's going to be 4/9 times 5/8, and that's going to be multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms, 20 out of 72. We need to add those up because we want either one of those options. It doesn't matter which way, if we get red first then blue, or blue first then red. So the final answer is the probability, it pulls out a different colour, is 40 over 72. Now you don't need to cancel that down if you don't want to, because it's a probability question, so you can leave your answer like that. But you might want to write your answer, well, let's break it down. 20 over 36, well, 4's going to both of those, 4's going to 5 times 5/9. So if you wanted to break it down, you could break it down like that. Although this answer, 40 over 72, is easy to get to, and you can leave it like that.